Hey yo, hey, welcome back to my channel, and today I am coming to you guys with a DIY. This is the word punch board from We Are Memory Keepers. You guys know I did a We Are Memory Keepers haul. This was not included because I didn't have it yet, but now that I have it, I wanted to start off my series with this because I actually need it. Need to make some words for some cards that I am making, and this will be the perfect time to try it out. So again, this is from We Are Memory Keepers, and here it gives you letters where you can punch out words like this, like stay wild. I purchased this from, where did I get this? Oh my gosh. I forgot where I got it from. I think it was Walmart actually, guys, and it was $19.99. And you can use it for your planners, you can use it for cards, where you can make up words. And it says punch 10 letters at one time, housed by American Crafts. So let's get into this really quick and see if I can make it do what it do. Now, I have not done this before. This is absolutely new. Those are letters. That's 6 letters in there. This is the envelope punch board. What's instructions? Now, I did watch some videos, although I have not used this before. And we have more letters. So, from what I understand, it's supposed to be, sorry guys, it's supposed to be one letter for every letter in the alphabet. And there's some that were actually in here that were not wrapped up, and I wonder why. So, first thing I want to do is make sure that I have all of the letters, and once I do that, then I will be right back. Alright guys, so I do have all of my letters, and so most of them came wrapped up in this styrofoam. They came wrapped up in the styrofoam, and for some reason these 5 were not, but they were actually inside of the box. So, not sure what happened with the styrofoam for that, but as long as I have all the letters, I'm good. And I'll show you individually. This one is the letter V, and it has an open slit down here. I guess that'll do the cutting. And under here is the metal cutter. So I am going to, and it doesn't really seem hard to do. So the instructions, they give you a couple of languages. First thing says place desired characters into base. If the word has a repeat letter, leave punch space open. So it should be, I guess, for each one of these, one letter for each. So, because I am doing a fall, what is it? A card for the fall, I want to say, or Thanksgiving. Oh, my first word that I wanted to say is give thanks. So, let's pick out, actually I saw that letter V, right? Oh, here it is. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, oh, these are actually connected. That's why they're not moving. Hey, how does it connect? So I guess you either pull up or pull down. That's the tricky part. I think you push down, because it would come out down here. Wow, that was difficult to do. Alright, so I am going to where is G? Okay. Yeah, I don't think I like this whole pulling system because I feel like I'm going to break it. And I'm also pushing on the buttons as I'm doing it, so I hope I'm not like about to cut myself with it. Alright, so I have the word give here, and then I also want to do the word thanks. So I guess while I'm doing all of this, like this takes a lot of elbow grease. Gonna have to create a container. Create a container for all of these because I'm gonna have to pull them apart and leave them apart because I don't. Oops, sorry if my hair got in view. I don't like how. Oh, and I just realized you guys can't even see what I'm doing. Sorry, guys. Alright, so I'm just going to show you guys again. What I'm actually doing. And I am putting the letters one in each spot. Alright, so the words I want to do are give thanks. Give thanks. TH is the A. Yeah, I feel like I'm breaking them when I'm pulling them apart, but once I get them apart, they will stay apart. I just have to come up with a container for these. But I can see the purpose. I'm like, I think it's super cute how you can create your own words. I'm struggling with this one, the K and the J. There we go. Oops. Need to learn how to spell. Now I just need an N. And then I actually need, and so what also you may not see is that they have these little things. I guess they all go this way because the slit is in the front. And I need an S because it's give thanks. And so, alright, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do give first, and then I'm going to do thanks from a different angle. So you guys can see the other angle. Alright, so let me take out all of these. And I'm going to cut a little slither of paper. Oops, sorry. Alright, so I cut a piece of paper off camera. And from what I saw, this should be simple. So I'm just putting the paper inside of the slits. Right? Okay. And it also has a center mark, but I don't really need a center mark as of right now. So make sure all the paper is pushed all the way behind. And then this is your punch board piece. and you just press down and it's supposed to cut out your words. Sorry if this shakes. Alright, let's see. And it did. So we have the word give. And I can trim some of this down. So now I'm going to turn my camera the other way so that you guys can see the other direction. Oh, and the other cool thing is that the letters, so say like if you wanted, if I can get them, if you wanted to use the letters for something, the letters are at the bottom. So you can actually use the letters, which I don't need. So let's move these, and then let's get our word thanks, and then I'll show you what that looks like. Here is the inside. I'm going to lower it, and this is the part that actually pushes up against the buttons to stamp. I hope that is not too bright. I'm going to put the word thanks in there. And so you just put it in just like that. Sorry for the cars. I'm actually filming this at a time where people are coming home from work. So you'll hear my neighbor's door shut. You'll hear cars in the driveway. Alright, make sure that you put one in each square box. Alright, so now I have my word thanks. Now I'm just going to put this, there is a slit under here. I'm just going to put it in there, and I'm going to move it down because I think I want to arrow banner it. So I need a little bit more room. So let's go down here. Put those in. Make sure you push your paper all the way up. Why did I see like a huge gap right here? Let's see. Are you guys in place? Alright. Wasn't quite in place. Alright, there we go. No movement. Alright, so I'm giving myself a little room. Make sure that my paper is all the way to the back of the slit. And then I am going to, that one wants to slide. I'm going to press down. You heard that crunch? And there we have it. There is the word thanks. So that was like pretty easy and simple, right guys? You would think some of this would be like really hard and difficult, but it's just absolutely simple and easy, which is what I like. Simple and easy. Now I'm just going to trim off the bottom just a little bit and off the sides, and I will make it a banner like for one of the cards. I'm afraid to show you cards because it's a part of a swap, and I don't know if anybody is following me, and I don't want them to see the cards yet. So follow me over on Instagram and you'll be sure to see how I use this little banner. Alright guys, that is it for this We Are Memory Keepers word punch board. Super simple, super easy punch board, the word punch board. So I'll leave a link down below if you want to purchase your own, and you'll be able to get it. Alright, don't forget to click that like and subscribe button to be the first to know when there's a new video posted to this channel. And make sure you follow me on all social media at Zariah's Creations. And until next time, be safe, wash your hands, ciao for now.